This is a very familiar scene for a lot of automotive consumers. This is the 2020 Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot has been around for quite a while, plus it's the brother to America's #1 people hauler, which is the Honda Odyssey. I'm not going to go over the vehicle in great detail, but I am going to show you how to program it to your home's garage using the vehicle's HomeLink system. So first things first, of course, first thing you're going to do, I've already got the vehicle running, so I did get a jump start. You're going to hop inside of your vehicle, and you can see right up top here, this driver carries their garage door opener on their sun visor. Of course, that could be a security issue, especially if you have a one-code garage, which most people do, or one-stage garage, which most people do. It sends out one code whenever you open and close your garage. Anybody can pick up that one code. If you have a two-stage garage, it sends out two codes. So therefore, if anybody's trying to decipher your code or steal your code, it's sending out multiple codes, and by the time they get around to narrowing it down to just one, it's too late. The garage is already taken place and shut. So all we're going to do here, first, I'm going to take this off. You will never have to put this back on your sun visor again. We're going to go right up under, and it's a little bright outside, so I'm going to come back up top here. Right up underneath your rearview mirror, you've got 1, 2, 3. Now, all three of these are going to be used to program your garage. This is your HomeLink system for your vehicle. All we're going to do is number 1, number 3, we're going to press and hold. Now, see the indicator there? The indicator is going to be the orange dot right above the home. Once that orange dot changes colors, whether it's blinking or whatever, it won't be orange. Once it starts to go green, you can release. You've just cleared your HomeLink system, so if there was another garage door opener program, guess what? It's no longer there, and you just cleared it out. And as you can see, trying to give you a shot of those three. Each one has one dot, the other has 2, 3. But if you have it, it will be up under your rearview mirror. So once you've cleared it, I'm going to take, they've got 2 steps to their garage. As you can see in the background, they've got 1 to the left, 1 to the right, so that's 2. You've got 1 and 2. The third one doesn't do anything. We're going to hold number 1, and we're going to hold number 1 right up under your rearview mirror here at the same time. So you want to get it as close as possible, and there's an advantage to holding it in one hand. So just press and hold both on the keypad here and the number 1 up under your rearview mirror. Press and hold, and continue to hold. That same indicator that you see flashing in orange now goes green. That simply means it's called the code. Press 1 again to lock it in. So it's locked in. Okay, so all we got to do now that it's programmed is press and hold. You primarily want to hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and you can see it's moving in the background. So garage programmed to the vehicle, no problem. Now remember number 2 here. So all I got to do is number 2, I'm going to do to the garage on the left side. Number 2 on the HomeLink system right up on the rearview mirror, I'm going to press and hold at the same time. Ready? Press and hold. See the indicator on the rearview mirror? Now, as soon as it starts to blink green, you can release. It's called the code. Press number 2 again to lock it in. Now, as I did before, I don't think I waited long enough because I definitely thought the first garage was a 2-stage because when I pressed it the first time, it didn't work. So I'm going to give it a moment to set in. I'm going to press number 2 again. Okay, release. Don't be alarmed. Press again, and it starts to move. Threw me for a loop there because I had to press the first time, it didn't work. Second time, worked seamlessly. So we've just programmed the garage doors to the HomeLink system of the Honda Pilot here. Now, that's stage 1. The garage they have here are stage 1 garages. I'm going to show you what to do if it's stage 2. So stage 2, I've just programmed the transmitter to the car. Now, if your garage is not working, you're going to have to program the HomeLink system of the car to the garage motor, which is in your light area there. You're going to have to program the garage motor to the HomeLink system of the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get out. I'm going to act as if I'm doing it, even though this garage does not need it, but I'll show you exactly what to do. Okay, so I'm at garage 1 here. If you look, going to give you an idea of where I am. That's motor 1, which is on the roof of your garage on the right side when we were in the car. On the left garage, from the car, of course, there's your motor. There's the vehicle sitting out front. If I go to garage, the motor on the garage one here, you look right underneath. Now, if you look close, see the little yellow button there? That's your discovery button. So what we're gonna do is, if you have a two-stage garage, we're gonna jump up, and you don't even have to uncover that. You can just kind of get a stick or a screwdriver or whatever, stick it in your open area there, press number, or the yellow button, press the yellow button. As soon as you press that yellow button, you're gonna have to literally run back to your car. You don't have to run, just a speed walk, because it only gives you 30 minutes. So once you get back to the car, you're gonna sit inside. Vehicle's always running, you never turned it off. And all you're gonna do is just press and hold 1, 3-second count, release. Press and hold 1, 3-second count, release. Press and hold 1 for a 3-second count, and your garage should start to move. Particularly on the third press and release, on the third press, it should automatically be programmed. Now remember, I walked you through that. I didn't press the button on the garage. That's only if you have a two-stage garage. The first part of this video should have worked if you have a one-stage. So I just programmed the garage to the HomeLink system of the Honda Odyssey here. So there again, if you have an automobile with a HomeLink system for your garage, definitely program it. I mean, you can do this from the outside of your vehicle. You can also do it from the driver's seat of your vehicle. Take time to enjoy your vehicle and keep it looking nice by parking it in the garage.